All right, Juan, this is 2022, 63 hours, Mayco LS450. This beauty is in perfect shape. We just did a little bit of work on it. Essentially, we changed the oils, the filters, all the stuff here has been redone. We replaced the hydraulic oil, the hydraulic side gauge also. Again, like I say, it's got 63 hours. We replaced the pressure gauges here. We replaced the piston cups, we greased the bearings, completely cleaned up the hopper. All the stuff in here is 100% ready to go. There's no concrete buildup or anything like that, because when we got it, it was full of concrete. The tires are in perfect shape, like I said already. The bearings have been greased. We greased the whole machine. Every bearing is taking grease. So it is ready to go, man. It's ready to pump concrete. We replaced the hydraulic filter and the hydraulic oil also, a brand new 55 gallons of AW46. We replaced a bunch of these toggle switches that were bad. The key switch was bad. We replaced that. Look at the engine. All of these parts here are brand new. There was a little problem with the flow control, the electronic flow control. We fixed that. We fixed all the leaks. It's been sitting here for a couple of days now. There's no leaks whatsoever. Again, this is a 2022, 63 hours, serial number 0924. Alrighty, let me know what your customer says about this one. We have another guy coming in tomorrow. Thank you.